Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to look at the BEBONCOOL Nintendo Switch gamepad. Now, if you have a Nintendo Switch and have been looking for a gamepad, this may be a great option for you. But right now we're going to take a look and actually see what's in the box. So this is how it comes. Could ship just like this or in another box. We received it with a few other items from Amazon. It says product features. It has dual motors, so that kind of makes me think it maybe vibrates, motion control, turbo function, and a wireless connection. And it says they have some upgrade information. You get YouTube videos as far as how to use it, so that's kind of cool. And it says the wireless connection can go up to 10 meters, so that's pretty far away. You probably would not be playing from 10 meters away. That would be a really giant monitor if you were doing that. So in the box here, let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, pretty nice. So there it is right there. Same colors for the most part that are on the Nintendo Switch. So you have the controller right there, has the USB cable that comes with it, as well as a customer service. Is a 3-year warranty. That's pretty cool. 45-day return and 75-day replacement. Talks about how you pair it up, so we're going to check that out in the review and demo video. But just overall initial look, it's a pretty cool looking controller here. That's the BEBONCOOL Nintendo Switch controller right there. This is the gamepad. So if you're looking for a gamepad to connect to your Nintendo Switch, this may be it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alan. This is Damn Good Reviews. And make sure you like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that I do, to check out some really cool, unique, innovative products and other products that just could help you save money in the long run. So take care.